Morning, children. Uh, Previous class we discussed about carbon and its compounds, and even we discussed what are all the topics we are going to discuss in the chapter called carbon and its compounds. Among them, one of the important topic called covalent bond that we are going to discuss today's class. As you know already, there are four important chemical bonds are there: covalent bond, ionic bond, hydrogen bond, and polar bond. So these are the four different types of chemical bond. Among them, one of the important chemical bond called covalent bond. What is covalent bond? A covalent bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. Examples: hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, methane. These are the some important examples for covalent bond. So let me discuss now how covalent bond forms between hydrogen molecule. How hydrogen molecule is formed. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. It has 1 electron in its K shell, and it requires one more electron to fill the K shell. As you know, every shell can accommodate maximum number of electrons. For example, K shell can accommodate 2 electrons in its shell, and in the same way L can accommodate 8, M 8. So like this, each shell have their own number of electrons to accommodate in its shell. Likewise, K shell can accommodate 2 electrons in its outermost shell, but the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and it has 1 electron in its outermost shell. To attain stability or to fulfill the K shell, it requires one more electron. To that one electron, it gets another hydrogen atom by sharing of electron with each other. Here, 2 hydrogen atoms share their electrons to form hydrogen molecule. This is one hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom shares one electron with another hydrogen atom. So by sharing of these hydrogen electrons between each hydrogen atom forms covalent bond. This is one of the example. Let's see another example in covalent bond. Here is one more example for covalent bond, that is oxygen molecule. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. It has 6 electron in its outermost shell. Here it is. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. A double bond is formed between 2 oxygen atoms. Here is a K shell can accommodate 2 electrons, 1 and 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 electrons in its outermost shell. To complete its octet structure, to attain stability or to complete its octet structure, it requires 2 more electrons in its outermost shell. This one oxygen atom gets, to fulfill its outermost octet structure, it gets the 2 electrons by sharing with another oxygen atom. Here is it 1, 2, and it shares between another oxygen atom. Here it requires 2 electrons to complete its octet. Each oxygen atom 2 electrons with another oxygen atom. These green electrons of this atom, this pink electrons of this atom, both these electrons share between each other and forms double bond. This is one bond, this green with this pink one bond, and this green with this pink another bond. So here it creates what? A double bond. Let's see another example in covalent bond. Here is formation of nitrogen molecule. Here the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and its electronic configuration is 2 or 5. In order to see here, the outermost shell contains 5 electrons. To complete its octet structure, it needs 3 more electrons. And once it gets 3 more electrons and it completes its octet structure. So to it, how many electrons it needed? It needs 3 more electrons. Those 3 electrons it gets by another nitrogen atom by sharing between each other. In order to attain an octet, each nitrogen atom in a molecule of nitrogen contributes 3 electrons, giving rise to 3 shared pair of electrons. This is said to constitute a triple bond between the 2 atoms. Here, this is one bond, this is another bond, and this is one more bond. So totally it forms 3 bonds between 2 nitrogen atoms. So this kind of bond is called triple bond. This is another important example. This is called methane. Here the carbon having 4 electrons in its outermost shell, or it has 4 valency electrons. To complete its octet structure, it needs 4 more electrons to complete its octet structure. It gets those 4 more electrons by sharing with 4 hydrogen atoms. This is one hydrogen atom, it shares 1 electron, and this is hydrogen atom, it shares 1 electron. Here is one more hydrogen, it shares 1 electron, and this is another hydrogen, it shares 1 electron with a carbon atom. See, carbon atom having 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here, it requires 4 electrons to complete its octet structure. Those 4 electrons it gets by 4 different hydrogen atoms. By this it forms methane. So this is one of the simplest hydrocarbon. So by this, here all the bonds are formed here by sharing of electron. This is a example. These are the examples of a covalent bond. So let's see one more example. Last example, that is chlorine. Here the chlorine has, the atomic number of chlorine is 17. It has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. It needs 1 electron to complete its octet structure. That 1 electron it gets by sharing of another chlorine atom, and it's completed its octet structure. Here it is. So this is one chlorine atom, this is another chlorine atom, combine each other or share between each other and forms chlorine molecule. So each chlorine atom fulfills their octet structure. 288, 288. Here it is 287. So by sharing with another chlorine, it gets what? 8. So it completes a octet structure. Like this, the bond which is created between 2 atoms by sharing of valency electron, such kind of bond is called covalent bond. In the next class, we will discuss another topic from the chapter.